Hey guys, Nick here at Fulton Market Kitchen. Today we're going to be making an FMK original cocktail featured on our summer menu called the Salt and Brine. The cocktail itself is definitely more of a savory cocktail, definitely more catered towards martini drinkers. We've got a base of Hendrick's gin and Italicus bergamotto. Hendrick's gin is definitely more of a floral gin, definitely botanical forward with some nice hints of cucumber, which complement the Italicus really well, which is kind of a sweeter liqueur, definitely has a lot of floral qualities to it as well, and has a really nice bergamot citrus undertones to it. So we're going to build off that base with a little bit of the olive oil sea smoke bitters and some olive brine. This kind of adds a little bit of salinity to the cocktail, which really kind of complements the sweet floral notes in both the Hendrick's and the Italicus. Finally, we're going to round it out with a little bit of Golden Balsamic vinegar, which kind of just adds a little bit of acidity to the cocktail. This is definitely a cocktail where the garnishes definitely complement the cocktail. We do a little bit of an olive oil infused with lemon float, along with a goat cheese stuffed olive. So yeah, let's get into it. There you have it. We've got the Salt and Brine. Cheers.